It's really important for a school to be comfortable. We want students, we want faculty members to feel like this is their home. This is a place where they belong, where they can feel comfortable. So one of the real focuses of our renovation is to add comfort to this building. We brought in a new natural light. We have made the hallways less crowded by adding more hallways and more loops to get places so you're not kind of running into dead ends. We have made bigger classrooms with more flexible space. School used to be designed so that everybody could get the same thing at the same time, but we know that students are individuals. So we've given our teachers in these new classrooms the ability to have breakout spaces and more spaces so kids can not only learn as a group but also individually. We've built collaborative spaces so students can do things with the content they're learning. We're very excited about a more comfortable, flexible school. The ground was broken in March of 2020, and we are set to finish this phase for kids to come back to school on Monday, and there's one phase left that should finish a little bit later this fall, and then the whole thing will be done.